Hello! Welcome to our last video this week. But, before we continue, sign up for a free account through this website below and discover new opportunity today. And yes, a like, subscribe and share are surely appreciated. Ready? Let's start. Make money with Amazon from home in 4 simple ways. First way, selling online. Fulfillment by Amazon. Leverage Amazon's fulfillment network, and they will ship your orders for you. Amazon Advantage. Self-service consignment program to sell media products directly on Amazon.com. Second way. Advertising online. Amazon Display Ads. Reach your customers with display advertising on Amazon.com, mobile, and Kindle. Amazon Associates. Advertise Amazon products on your website and earn up to 15% in referral fees on the sale of books, music, DVDs, toys, electronics, kitchen, apparel, jewelry and more. Amazon Sponsored Products. Promote your products on Amazon with pay-per-click, keyword-targeted ads. Your ads may appear on page 1 of search results and on product detail pages. Sign up for a free account through this website below and discover new opportunity today. And yes, a like, subscribe and share are surely appreciated. Third way, selling apps. Amazon App Store. Sell your Android apps on the Amazon App Store and reach millions on Kindle Fire, Amazon Fire TV and select Android devices. It's easy to get started. Over 75% of Android apps were tested worked with no additional development necessary. Amazon APIs. Monetize your apps and games by integrating the Amazon Mobile Ads API, in-app purchasing API or the Mobile Associates API, which lets you sell physical products in your app and earn up to a 6% transaction fee. Amazon HTML5 Webops. Sell your HTML5 apps and mobile-optimized websites on the Amazon Web App Store, available in nearly 200 countries worldwide. Last way, publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing makes it fast and easy for you to independently publish your book for free and reach millions of Kindle and Kindle app reading customers worldwide. Create Space. Create Space helps you easily create, publish, and distribute your printed book to Amazon.com and Amazon's European websites for free. ACX. The Audiobook Creation Exchange, or ACX, gives you control over audiobook production. Connect with a network of leading audiobook producers, or learn what you need to know to produce it yourself. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find our content helpful. See you next week and have a great weekend.
With